lip singing.
When the wave at me, you sad cause your bitch ain't me. I'll get her money, you ain't gotta ask straight with me. When the wave at me, you sad cause your bitch ain't me. I'll get her money, you ain't gotta ask straight with me. When the wave at me, you sad cause your bitch ain't me. I'll get her money, you ain't gotta ask straight with me.
She be looking like that thing from the Rugrats, that girl. No, did you see her hair? After she be looking like this.
And then like her hair's flying out. Like you're talking about me looking tired, but like get some hair gel. Get some hair gel. Get some hair gel. Get some hair gel.
Oh, nana, if you keep shaking that ass. Oh, na na na.
Because it's my page and I'm pretty sure that everyone likes their pictures to look good, so I don't think I'm the only person that FaceTunes. I'm pretty sure a lot of people do. I just really like my pictures to look good, and with Facetune it makes your face look amazingly clear, and I really like that, so that's why I do that. But other than that, no, like I don't use it just because like, and I don't Photoshop. If you guys want to hear about the pictures that I have photoshopped in, I actually did a YouTube video with my best friend for the best friend tag, and he brought up. Why do you Photoshop your butt though? I really don't. Like, my butt's not Photoshopped at all. It's not Photoshopped at all. It's not Photoshopped at all.